Did you know that the live streaming industry is projected to hit a whopping $223 billion by 2028? Crazy, right? So, are you using the right tools to stand out in this massive sea of content? Let's dive into the world of professional live streaming tools that can really level up your streaming game. Before we begin, a few words about myself. I'm Suresh, a former IT manager who moved into online marketing and content creation, driven by a passion for guiding others through the digital landscape. After years in tech, I now focus on helping people build passive income and leverage online platforms. All right, so today we're talking about professional live streaming tools and how they can seriously enhance both the quality and reach of your streams. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro, the right tools can make a world of difference in how your content is perceived and how engaged your audience is. Now, let's talk about some of the common challenges that streamers face. First up, poor video quality. Nothing turns viewers off faster than a pixelated stream. Then there's the issue of lack of engagement. If your viewers are tuning in but not interacting, it can feel pretty lonely out there. And of course, we've all had those moments of technical difficulties, buffering, audio issues, you name it. These problems can really make or break your streaming experience. So, what can we do about it? Let's explore some of the professional tools available for live streaming. For starters, software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs can help you capture and edit your streams in real time, giving you that professional edge. And don't forget about hardware. A good camera, like the Logitech C9-20, can really improve your video quality, while a solid microphone, like the Blue Yeti, can enhance your audio. Plus, there are services out there like Restream, which allow you to broadcast to multiple platforms simultaneously. These tools can really help you step up your production value and keep your viewers engaged. Enter the Elgato Stream Deck. This little device allows you to control everything from your scenes to your alerts at the touch of a button. It's customizable and can streamline your workflow like you wouldn't believe. Many streamers swear by it. And once you get the hang of it, it can take your stream to the next level. To wrap things up, we've talked about some amazing tools today, from streaming software to hardware, and even services that can help you create a more engaging experience for your audience. Remember, using the right tools can enhance the quality of your streams and help you connect better with your viewers. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite streaming tools? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos and our blog at www.fountina.net for more tips and tricks on how to improve your streaming game. Thanks for watching and happy streaming. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could take a moment to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future updates. And if you think others could benefit from this content, please don't hesitate to share the video as well. Your support means a lot, and it helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Once again, thanks for watching, and happy streaming.